So there's a mystery drill at my school. We're all evacuating, but we don't know why. It is so far the coldest day there has been. And right now I'm in a bit of a fix because I'm walking down and it's snowy and icy. And I don't know what's on the ground because there could be black ice. And my phone is going to freeze. Wow. It's really cold. Yeah. I'm getting advice, but you can tell this is not a fun time right now. Look at what my hand looks like. See? I can't feel it. You can't see the football field. What's up, Davey? Something happened. Okay, so I'm back home from school, a very eventful day. So basically, somebody pulled the fire alarm on a very cold day just to piss us off. And to that person, I shot them. They were shot. My amazing teachers gave me 4 homework passes. So we basically assign it to a homework assignment so we can skip that assignment without getting penalized. The school administration also took the kids to the school gift shop to select one item for free, and we're all very thankful for that. Hey Pa, interesting experience happened to me at school.
What's that?
So you know how cold it is today?
Yes.
Someone decided to pull the fire alarm at school and we all had to go out.
Yeah, I think I got an email on that.
The freezing cold weather, you did?
Yeah. And then as soon as I read it, I said, I bet you they did that because it's freezing cold out.
Really?
Yeah. Kids do that shit, stuff.
I had a feeling I should have stayed remote today. I'm like a fortune teller.
Maybe it woke you up a little bit. Cold air.
Yeah, except it happened at the end of the day. Last period.
Cool.